Hello, welcome to the channel. Ecom Adventures here. Today we got an amazing video for you guys, and don't forget to stay till the end of the video as I got amazing tips about virtual assistants that you don't want to miss. Anyway, so how to make money with virtual assistants on Amazon. Okay, first of all, let's start with the basics. Virtual assistant, V8. Okay, who are they? How they can help you? Virtual assistant, the name it says is assistant. Okay, it will assist you to manage your business, to grow your business, and to take some tasks from you in order to facilitate you and in order to give you the time for you to focus on most important things. Okay, it can help you if you are a starter. If you're starting on Amazon and you don't have maybe much time because you have another business that you're running, or maybe you are a full-time employee, maybe to have a virtual assistant that who can take some of the work from you, it might help you. Another reason that you might need a virtual assistant is if your business is growing. It's growing, you escalating your business, you moving to another marketplaces, you launching more products, so you need help. Okay, so this is when it comes to virtual assistants. Okay, in this video we're going to be touching some points, very important points that I'm going to help you to select the virtual assistants, what you can delegate to them, and very important points that you need to know in order to help you with the virtual assistants. Okay, so very important to know that virtual assistant will be an individual that you will need to train him. Okay, you will need to train him, you will need to create procedures in order to have consistency in your business. Okay, so if you want a task to be done, that task has to be done all the time the same way. Okay, also remember that here we're dealing with Amazon, so we need to follow Amazon terms and conditions. Amazon terms and conditions are very important to be followed. Okay, so because you don't want to get in trouble with Amazon, you need to follow the rules. Okay, so let's move on to point number 2, which is what are the tasks that you can delegate to virtual assistants. Okay, so a virtual assistant, it will be things that you will delegate tasks gradually. Okay, so you won't delegate, okay, this is all my business, deal with it. No. Okay, like I said before, is someone who will help you with different tasks. In order for you to train them with this task, you need to know your business first. Okay, in order for you to check if they're doing correct the job. Okay, don't think that they're gonna run the business for you. No, they're gonna take some tasks from you. Okay, so let's see some of the tasks that you will delegate to a virtual assistant. You will delegate gradually. You will give them one task, let's say PPC. Okay, you will teach them your strategies, you will give them targets on ACOS. Once they have achieved that and they can manage your PPC strategy, they can manage your PPC campaigns correctly to the level that you're happy, okay, then you can decide if you wanna delegate them another task. Okay, so when they have mastered one task, they will move on and maybe take on another challenge that could be listing creation. Okay, so these individuals, they're looking after your PPC campaigns, and also they're in charge of creating the listings for all the new products that you're launching. Okay, amazing. Another task that you can be delegated to virtual assistants could be organizing logistics, very extremely important task. Your supply chain, very important. Again, procedures they have to be created, so when they deal with this task, they are done in the correct way and the correct that you want them to do it. Okay, so organizing logistics, communicating with forwarders, communicating with 3PLs, yeah, creating shipping plans on Amazon, things like this. You need to teach them how to do it, and then they will do it. Okay, very important to don't have a break on the supply chain. Okay, remember that you need to have products in order to keep selling and keep selling. Okay, another things that you can delegate to them will be Amazon reports that they need to be downloaded, they need to send to the accountant, things like VAT reports, things like return reports, things that needs to be handled for the administrative side of the business. The VA can be in charge of that. Another thing that can be customer service related matters that can take on that challenge, that will be answer any question from customers, anything to do with questions regarding the listings, regarding the products, regarding the specifications of the products. They can manage stuff like that. Okay, so now let's give you these fantastic and amazing tips that I have for you. Okay, so how you're gonna find and how you're gonna select a VA. Okay, very important to work with the correct people. Very important to work with someone that you feel comfortable with. Okay, the last thing that you want to hire someone that is gonna make you waste your time by training them, and then they're not gonna be efficient enough. It's gonna be a nightmare to communicate with them, and they're gonna get you in trouble with Amazon. So the selection of a VA is extremely important. Okay, so first of all, where are we gonna look for these VAs? We're gonna look on websites like Upwork or Freelancer. Okay, in Upwork or Freelancer, what you do is you post your job, the requirements of your job, the salary that you're willing to pay, the conditions and the requirements. Okay, like I said before, you're gonna delegate gradually. So the salary is gonna be depending on how many tasks they are able to take on. Okay, also it's gonna be depending on their ability, on the experience that they have, how much work they can take, how much training they need, how much knowledge they have in Amazon, right? Okay, another thing, amazing tip here that I have for you guys is depends where you're located, depends where are your business. You can be looking, if you are looking for a Spanish speaking VA, you'll be looking in countries like Venezuela, Colombia, amazing talent there. Okay, always remember when you post your jobs, in the requirements say that you need to have and you are required to communicate with them via Zoom or via Skype. It's extremely important that the communication with them, it can flow. Okay, you don't want someone who cannot communicate. If it's an emergency, you set up a Zoom meeting. If it's an emergency, or a Skype meeting. Instead of be sending emails, you need to wait for the person to reply the email. No, the communication and to work correctly has to be correctly and it has to be efficient. Alright, so remember, Spanish speaking, look for Venezuela, look for Colombia, amazing talent, and also the prices are good. For English speaking, so if you are based in the UK or in the US, you'll be looking on places like Philippines or India, where again they have amazing talent and the prices are okay, and you can find very reliable and professional individuals. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the button, give us a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.